Nnamdi Kanu's judgment is not going to stand. That injustice against him yesterday in the court is not going to stand. That is the message coming from his lawyer, and for obvious reasons, because that judgment was delivered based on sentiments. The judge, the jury, they were expecting Nnamdi Kanu to beg, of course, but you know Nnamdi Kanu, he stood his ground instead. I made it clear to them that they don't know what justice means, because they are not trying him based on the amended laws of the Constitution. They are trying him based on a fabricated law. An old and antiquated law that has been amended. That is what they were trying him under. That is the law under which they were trying him. They were trying him, and on top of that, they were expecting him to beg, to grovel, but he didn't do that. And because of that, they felt insulted. Injustice or Motosho felt insulted and hurriedly passed the judgment based on sentiments. And now Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer has come out to make it very clear that that judgment is not going to stand. For obvious reasons, of course. Let's listen to him.
Just because many of you have been calling me, let everybody calm down. We are filing our notice appeal tomorrow. And be rest assured, the judgment is going to be set aside, because this is not judgment at all. If you are doubting me, I will get the CTC of the judgment tomorrow. I will give it to you and the record of proceedings. You will now discover that the judge left what issues that we raise. He left everything that we are talking about and be writing another thing. So that judgment, it was predicated on anger. It just Nnamdi Kanu has insulted me. I will show him that I'm a judge. That's all. That's all. It's not predicated on law at all. A matter that was not investigated. The judge, you rejected the statement of Nnamdi Kanu, the DSS wanted to tender. Now, if a matter that was not investigated, there was no statement, there was no investigation report, on what basis are you giving judgment? Issues of the whole Nnamdi Kanu, you did not even address it. You are talking about bombing Britain, British High Commission, bombing American Embassy. All those things doesn't make sense at all. We are finding our appeal tomorrow. We are going to set it aside. Let everybody calm down. Thank you and God bless you.
When the cockroach voted for the insecticide to be used in taking out the mosquitoes, the cockroach had no idea. It had no idea that the insecticide would also take him out. It had no idea. Until the insecticide went to work. And it finished the mosquitoes, the cockroach, and even the flies. The flies that had nothing to do with bringing the insecticide in, to do with voting the insecticide to take out the mosquitoes. The cockroach, the flies are just, they acted neutral, that kept quiet. That had no participation in the whole thing. That is what will happen in Nigeria. That is what is happening in Nigeria right now. It will go round. It is injustice. It will eventually go round if it is allowed to continue. Definitely, it's only a matter of time. Everybody is going to get served eventually.